welcome to another video. It's me, your boy Alexis. Well, I accidentally voice revealed on my second one, so I just want to do this. Anyways, today I'm gonna show you my Tycoon account. This game is called My Tycoon because, well, there's games called My etc. This is my account. Looks cool, right? I don't know how much I earned, but let's see. Oh my god. Let me collect that. Oh my god, I'm at 10 trillion. Ooh. Let's collect that. Boom. Bam. Collect that. Bop. 1.3 trillion. Oh my god. Anyways, I'm doing a giveaway. I'm gonna give out five vampires and milkshakes. So if you want one, join me right now. Or I can just invite you to my private server and, well, give you some. Anyways, I'm giving 5 of these to 2 people. So I'm gonna find a noob and then give them 5 of these. Because I like helping. Wait. Wait a minute, guys. I have to mute. Anyways, I'm here right now. My mother was calling, but I told her later. So wait, what? Wait, inikaw man ako giveaway. I-save na lang. Ay, never mind. Anyways, I'm gonna give this 2, 3, 4. Anyways, I'm gonna gift him vampires too, because I'm bored. Anyways, I'm gonna give this guy all my. Wait, I'm last na ni. Anyways, I'm bored, so I just did this. So anyways, that's my giveaway. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned because I'm about to post more videos. Anyways, bye!